you spend months, maybe even years, collecting data, running analyses, and drafting your manuscript. Moving a project from a hypothesis to a finished paper requires a massive sacrifice of your time and mental energy. Then you finally hit submit and get the acceptance email. Your paper goes live on the journal's website, and you share that link with your colleagues, advisors, and professional network. But skip ahead 2 years. A fellow researcher is looking for your specific data to cite in their own literature review. They click that link you shared, but instead of your paper, they hit a blank screen reading 404 page not found. Without a permanent digital anchor tied to your manuscript, those months of rigorous laboratory work and writing can become invisible to the internet without warning. This happens because of how standard URLs work. Think of a standard URL as a set of directions pointing to a physical server building. It locates where the file is stored today. If a journal migrates its database, that server location changes. The old directions become obsolete, leading to a dead end. This structural failure is known as link rot. In the academic world, it means the connection between the global research community and your specific findings has been severed. The consequences are practical and immediate. When a link rots, automated systems like Google Scholar can no longer find the source, which can lead to your paper being removed from indexes and your citation count stalling. The solution used by major research institutions is the Digital Object Identifier, or DOI, issued through CrossRef. Unlike a URL pointing to a location, a DOI attaches directly to the document itself. If the journal moves your paper to a new domain, the DOI automatically updates its directory. It reroutes the researcher without them ever seeing a broken link. This mechanism ensures that as long as the paper exists online, it remains accessible to the global academic community under one permanent link. In academia, citations are the primary metric for measuring the impact of your work. They are the data points used by hiring committees and grant boards to evaluate your career progress. Indexing databases use the DOI as a tracking beacon. It allows them to accurately verify and count your citations, tallying every mention of your work across thousands of different journals. This also provides a layer of security against the rise of predatory publishers, outlets that charge fees but lack professional indexing and peer review standards. While not a standalone guarantee of quality, a CrossRef DOI signals that a journal has invested in the technical infrastructure required by major academic databases. It is a significant marker that helps distinguish professional journals from unindexed websites. Ultimately, a DOI is a tool that protects both the visibility of your research and your ability to be credited for your findings over the long term. A common misconception is that researchers can simply generate their own DOIs. However, individual authors cannot independently purchase or create a CrossRef DOI for a single paper. These identifiers are only issued through formal partnerships between CrossRef and established academic journals or institutions. For many early career researchers, the challenge is finding a journal that provides this level of professional indexing without the months of delays or overly complex submission systems found in larger houses. Selecting the right publication partner is the final step in ensuring your research remains a findable, citable part of the scientific record for years. The International Journal of Advanced Research in Science and Technology, at IJARST.com, was designed to address these barriers by providing a CrossRef DOI for every accepted manuscript. IJARST combines high-level indexing with speed. The journal is peer-reviewed and open access, maintains a 6.76 impact factor, and typically publishes accepted work within 6 days. We are currently accepting manuscripts. You can submit your paper directly through the link in our description, or reach out to our editorial team at editorijrst@gmail.com for more information. By ensuring your work is issued a permanent DOI, you protect your research from digital link rot and ensure your contributions remain accessible to the global scientific community.